So we will see today how to create the value sets. We will see how to create the value sets. First, we will see format only value set. Format only value set. First, we will see the format only value set. So we can restrict the, what do you mean by format only value set? You can restrict the data only specific format. Example, varchar date or number. So we can restrict the data only specific format, varchar date or number, like that. So, for example, in our case also, we are going to create one format only value set. Format only value set. This is the value set, format only value set. You can give any name. I'm giving the naming convention like that. So navigation for value set is we have to go to the setup and maintenance. Go to setup and maintenance. Go to setup and maintenance. Search. Manage. Management. Manage sets. Manage value sets. Can you give any working instances? Dev 30.
Oracle instance.
Dev 30 is suddenly not working. What is that you're telling? Archive instance.
No, sir. Some Oracle instance there now.
Okay.
So,
Nice. Okay, understand. Search. Manage. Manage values. Sets. Click on manage value sets. Interesting. Take this much time here.
Try with DAB some there is instance, sir.
Can you paste in the chat window?
Right.
Thank you, Sujan. It's slow. Slow. Compared to this, level 30 is fast. Other than JP, this one, right?
So
It
24
is
is
not.
expired. Only these two instances are active.
Okay, okay. Okay, thank you, Sai. Department maintenance. Search. Manage.
Vamshi, is it working for others?
This instance, huh?
Yes.
I think it is working here. Only this value set it is taking time, but other screens are working fine. Other screens are working fine.
Dev 67 is working fast one.
67 working, huh?
Working. Just now check.
Okay. Manage. Setup and maintenance. That is faster. Manage. Manage. Manage value sets. Manage value sets. Permanently taking time or some browser issue.
Try from Explorer, Vamshi.
Okay. Even that is also problem. Mhm.
Hello?
Yeah.
Sir, try this instance.
You 10 na? Okay, let me. We'll check in other browser. Huh? We'll check in other browser. Search. Manage values. Manage values. It is working. Div 67. I think in my Chrome having problem, guys. Okay, so but in the this other browser it is working fine. So here we are going to click the plus. Click the plus. So value set code I will give like this. Value set code format only value set. You can give any name. This name can be any name. This name can be any name. This name can be any name. Mention like this. Mention like this. Module will give. So module, guys, for example, if you want to use this format only value set for all the modules, HCM, finance, and supply chain, then there is a application toolkit document. So value set code and description. Validation type I will use. Validation type I will use format only. Data type number. So that means what will be happen when we apply this value set in the flex field level, that field should accept only number. That field should not accept date or varchar anything. So that is the importance of format only value set.
Sir, what is module?
Huh?
Sir, what is module?
Modular. This one.
Yes, yes.
So the thing is, if you are using this module application toolkit, this value set I can access across all the modules. For example, if you want a specific module like finance module, some other model, specific modules, then then you can use only that one. Again, I'm going to use financial common modules. Financials. If I use the financial, this value set I can use only finance modules only. But if I use application toolkit, it is common for all the modules. Okay. Precision, guys, it is like data type size. Data type size. Scale, like in which how many decimals you want to display. That is decided by scale. Minimum value 1, maximum value 1000. That means what? This minimum value 1000 means in between you can enter any data. Save. Okay. Next value set. Independent value set. Independent value set. Click on plus. Independent value set. Module name. Application tool. Application tool. Validation type independent. Value data type correct. value set type text. Maximum length you can do, or maybe 30 you can use. So minimum value, maximum value, same like how you are mentioning the number, right? They're also same. So uppercase, for example, if you want to display uppercase, then you can mention uppercase. That means it will accept only upper values, capital letters it will accept.
What is the zero fill one sheet?
I am also not sure how it will work, zero fill. This is a new feature.
Okay.
Many values.
Security enabled Vamshi.
For example, this value set I want to use only for specific role or user. Then we will use the security enabled. So here you can add data, click on plus. Value name you can mention. May not put it there. HR. Sales. Sales. Manufacturing. Admin, HR, sales, finance, admin. 7 close. 7 close. Next value set, dependent value set. So I told you, right? If you want to create the dependent value set, we required independent value set. If you want to require dependent value set, we require the independent value set. So first we will, so the requirement is guys, the requirement is we will create the independent value set. So independent country value set I will use India. Let's see. India, let's say. For India, we will add the cities. Hyderabad. USA, New York, Dallas, California. First, we will create the independent value set, then we will create the dependent value set. Create the independent value set. So without this, we cannot create this one. Without this, we cannot create this one. Remember this one. So click on plus. Module name. application toolkit, validation type independent, character, text, prompt. So when I press the save button here, manage values will be enabled. When I press the save, manage values will be enabled. Save, manage values, add the create one more values. Module name, validation type, dependent. Yeah. Value subtype, text. Okay. So if you observe carefully, guys, when I am creating the dependent value set here, independent value set is mandatory. While I am creating the dependent value set, independent value set is mandatory. Did you observe? So what is the independent value set name? We have created last value set name, whatever we have created, right? Copy this name. So manage values. Here, click on plus. For example, India. What is the cities we need to add? That city names we need to add here. OSC. New York. New York. California. Here, that means in the while we create the flex fields, right? So when we select the India, the related cities will come. If I select the USA, the related cities will come in the flex field level. Save and close. Save and close. So that is the dependent value set. Next, subset value set. So what subset value set? So whatever the department value set is there, no? In the department value set, I want to take some values from the independent. For example, HR, sales, finance, admin, manufacturing is there. So in this two values set, I want to derive the data, some sub data. That is called subset value set. In our requirement, what we are doing, we are taking admin department values. HR and admin is the same category, right? So I want to take these two values from the subset value set. Copy this one. Name you can give any name. This name can be any name. This name can be any name. Sub values from the independent. Sub values from the independent. Click on plus.
You can please share this document also.
Yeah. It will be. I will share. Module name. Application toolkit. Subset. Value set code. Independent value set code name. Independent value set code name. Mention this one. Save. Manage values. Click on plus. So we will take that. We'll take the two values from the. So I'm taking the admin. So the values will be controlled from independent value set. The values from the values of the independent data will be controlled. The values of the subset data will be controlled from the independent. You cannot create the new data here. Only it will be dependent on the independent value set.
This is similar to different value set, right, Vamshi?
No. How it will be dependent value set? The independent value set, every value against some data will be there. For example, India, we have some data. USA, some data will be there. But
Yeah.
subset value set, what we are taking some data from the independent value set.
It is similar to independent value set, right, Ramji, with some values.
Yeah, mostly similar to independent value set, right?
Mostly similar independent value set only. Mostly similar.
Instead of the subset, we can even create independent value set, right, with those two values.
Correct, na? But why do we have to create the new data, right? So we want the
Reusing the
some
existing
data
data.
required from the
Reusing.
independent. We are using the some data in the independent value set. Why we have to get the data again? So we don't require any data, new data, right? Already my data there in the independent value set. I want to use that in the subset. But if I call this one into flex fields, it will come all data, right? Sharda, you understand, right?
Yes.
So that I don't require that is not my requirement. I want to have some data that should be accessed in my other flex field that require only two values. That is about. So now pardon last one. Table value set. Table value set. So table value set, I'm taking data from the fusion tables. Taking the data from fusion tables. First we are creating the value sets, then we will see flex fields how to create. Save and close. Whatever the value sets I am creating, right? So this we can use in the flex field level. Whatever the value set I am creating, right? So this we will use in the flex field level. Understand, right? So take the table value set. Module. Application toolkit. Table. So from a class, you can use per_users table. In the per_users table, I want to access the username. Per_users, I want to access the username. So description column, description column underscore here. Okay, otherwise I will take underscore. Let me take for person names. Okay. For person underscore names is the table name. For person names underscore f is the table name. And in this, I want to take the last underscore name, the column. This is the column name. The description column, you can give any name. Display underscore name. ID column, person underscore ID. Person underscore ID, the ID column. That means we are going to access 3 columns: last name, display name, and person ID. And if you want to write the where condition, you can write order by class, we can write. And so when the start date, any start date column and end date column is there, so that also you can access here. But my requirement, I want to use only these 3 columns. Save and close. Save and okay, so we have created the table value set and we have created the total value set. Now we are going to first start with the descriptive flex field. Descriptive flex field. So in job page, create country and city fields. So this country and city fields data
Okay.
should, yeah.
I have a doubt. Where these all the value sets will be stored in either in base table or staging table?
Base table only will be stored into base tables.
Okay.
There is a table.
What is the table name, Vamshi?
Huh?
Table name, Vamshi, this value sets are stored.
FND underscore value set something there. FND value set something there. FND value sets val something is there. But exact table name I don't remember, but you can search in the Google, it will come. FND underscore value sets code or something. Exact name I don't remember, guys, but you will search in the Google, it will find, it will get easily. So in job page, create the country and city fields. In job page, create the country and city fields. So in the job page, we don't have a country and city fields.
In that file level, we can call these values.
Why these you people are bringing the DAT, the DAT file and staging table, all these things? This is a different topic, complete altogether different topic.
Okay.
Staging table and base tables concept will come only in the HDL. DAT file also will come in the HDL. This is completely altogether new topic. In job page, create country and city fields. So basically, if you look at this one, value set we cannot call, but flex fields we can call in the DAT file. I think I have shown
Okay.
right. Fields. That's
I think they're expecting additional columns in the data file, right, from the attribute columns.
yeah, correct.
The data
But
file.
value set we cannot call, no?
Yeah, value set we cannot call. Maybe they're expecting that fields, I think so.
Yeah. Value set we cannot. So if you click on create job, you will mention this job. So I think in this instance, country and city fields created, but we will remove first this one. In this instance, country and city fields created. So some of our students has created here, but this department, country and city, these three columns are not, or at least standard columns, or these three fields are not seeded fields. These three fields are not standard fields. So there are the standard fields, but how you know that this is not a standard fields? I will show you first how to delete this one, guys. Then I will show you how to add. Or you want me to go to new instance also? Okay. Go to new instance. Go. 30 instance working, right?
Value set we have created in this instance, right? Monthly what?
Correct, you're right. Okay. So, okay, anyway, we will delete this one. First of all, we will identify the value. First, we will delete, and then we'll come back here and we'll add. So, first,
You can give the different names from instead of department and all. You can give the different names.
yeah, that is also fine. Anyway, you also know, right, how to delete also.
Okay, okay.
We'll delete first. We'll delete the. Actually, this step is not required, guys. This step is not required. Why? Because already this flex fields created by some other student. That is the reason it is there. But deleting the fields are not required for this example. First, we'll delete the existing. This step is not required, guys. Once again, I am telling you. Because the fields already there, that is the reason I am deleting. Don't confuse. Setup and maintenance. Manage. Manage descriptive flex fields. Manage descriptive flex fields. So this one, this flex field code. But now I will show you where we will get a per job DFF. Search the per job DFF. Per job DFF. Complete. So this fields, whatever the fields created, right? First we will remove this. We'll remove this one. Save on. Deploy flex fields. Actually, once again, I am telling you, this fields already there. That is the reason I am first coming here and deleting. Otherwise, if the fields not there, you don't need to do this step. You don't need to do this step. Okay. Okay, so now sign out and sign in.
So, can we now delete the standard fields?
Standard fields we can hide. We can hide by using the sandbox.
But not, we cannot delete, right?
No. Okay. Standard fields we can hide. That we already discussed in the sandbox.
Yes, Abhishek.
Dev.27.
This is for to capture the extra information.
Yeah, correct. So now let me go to the job page. Let me go to the setup and maintenance. Manage job page. So the fields, whatever just now we have seen that will not be there. Something I can give here. Something I can give here. Click on next. Okay. Did you observe? Hello. And how to find out this job page flex field code name. So flex field code name, how to find out? My client group. Go to the data exchange. We will go to the view business object. Go to view business object. You search a job. At the job. Select the job. Flex field attributes. So this is the flex field code. This is the flex field code for the job. Likewise, if you go to job family also, go to job family, attributes. Oh, take the flex field code name. Take the flex field code name. First identify the first step is identify the flex field code. Identify the flex field code. Identify the flex field code. Then, so guys, here important thing is in the flex field. If you look at this one, go to the setup and maintenance. Search. Manage. Descriptive. Manage descriptive flex fields. Manage descriptive flex fields. Manage descriptive flex field. So you search the search. Click on update. Click on update. So there is a option manage context and global segments. So we can create the fields for the job page in two ways. We can create the note. We can create the fields in job page two ways. A, manage context and global segments. So what is the difference between these two manage context? So let's say, let me open another tab. Another tab. So here you can go to setup and maintenance. Go to setup and maintenance. Search. manage job, create something. I can give here something, click on next. So guys, here, if you create the fields under the global segments, when you open the page, the fields will be displayed here. If you create the country and city fields under the global segments, when you open the job page, those fields will come. Remember this point. If you create the country and city under global segments, the fields will be appear on job page. But what is the manage context? What is the manage context? What is the manage context is? What is the manage context? We will create one name called as location. This name will be appear in, there is a one field called context value. For example, I am creating the location name in the manage context. So this location, after you create the location in the manage context, here it will be appear in the context value. It will be appear the name of the name location will be appear in context. If you select location in context value, you will see the country and city. Read this one, guys. This name can be any name. Under manage context. Understand or not, guys? Getting or not getting?
Got it, Raj.
Okay. Solve part 1. Thank you, guys. Tomorrow I will continue.